Hi friends, today I discuss one new application. The application is the faculty management system. So this application used for every organization, whether big or small, so has challenges to overcome and managing the information of faculty. So this system is designed for a particular need of an institute to carry out of the operations in smooth and effective manner. So it contains the details of the faculty members and how many demonstrations are carried out, how many seminars are attended, and so on. The faculty can be updated the details their respective mobile phones within their time. So this faculty can also update the details with their respective mobile phones within no time. So analysis is the study of various operations performed by the system like add, update, delete, search faculty details, and maintain relationship with the through system. The faculty management system can be entered using username and password. So it accessible by the administrator as well as the faculty member in their mobile phones. So the data can be retrieved easily. The data are easily protected and professionally used and make data processing very fast. So the system objective of easily maintainable information can be used in any organization as well as institution to reduce the workload of the faculty members and easily maintain the records the facility. So this application will be implemented in two modules. The two modules are the admin and faculty. So this is a faculty management system. That is the reason we have the faculty. So those who are handle the faculties, those people, that person is the admin. So here the administrator is the head of the application. So when I'm clicking the admin, so the default username password like admin and admin. So after entering into the home page, so options like verify faculty, then after write department Excel, degree Excel sheet, and write course Excel sheet, and write publication Excel sheet, and write workshop Excels, and third finally write work Excel. So this all the, for example, the all the faculty details add their department details. So I'm it's very difficult to check everyone details one by one. So that is the reason. So those people, all the registered faculty details I'll write into one Excel sheet. So when I'm opening the Excel sheet, all the faculty details available in one Excel. So then I can easily view the all the faculty details. That is the reason I can write all the department of faculty, degree, course, publication, workshop, and work Excel details. So when I'm writing after adding the faculties, the first step is verify faculty. So when I verify the faculty after registration of the faculty details, so when I'm clicking the registration, I'll get these form details like name, faculty ID, password, TOB, email, address, and my phone. So I'm giving name like my name Shravani and my faculty ID and password, my date of birth, my email ID, my address. Gender. So registration success. So I'm trying to log in my ID and my password. I'm not entering into the home page. I'm getting invalid login details. So why? Because of still I'm not verified by the admin. So that is the reason I went to admin. So after logging to the admin, when I'm clicking the verify faculty, still my status is no. So when admin want to verify, so then I'll get a SMS like your registration request activated from the admin. So then only now I'll get information I'm activated. Then I'll enter. Then I'll log in. So my faculty ID and my password. So login. After that, it's my profile details. If I want to update, I can update my profile details. Updation success. So then if I want to add my department details like my department ID CS1, so my branch CS submit. This is my department. If I want to update, so IT to IS updated. Same like when I'm clicking the view department details, so all my added department details I can visible here. So my degree details, so my degree B1 to my degree completion of year 2017, my degree title, my degree major, submit. So if I want to update, I click in, when I'm clicking the update, I'll get all the details will be updated. So if I want to add my course details like my course ID, so Java 567, my course name Java, course credits 60, course subject Java, submit. If I want to update, so my course changed to 63, so update it. Then when I'm clicking the view course details, all my course details will be visible here. So when I'm clicking my work history, for example, I'll join in particular organization, so then my joining date like 12/08/2000, my job place Hyderabad, job responsibilities teaching, job title faculty, submit. So it's my work history. So teaching, in case in future I became like HOD, so submit. So all the my details will be updated. So when I'm clicking the view work history, so I added my all work history details I can visible here. So publication, so some of the faculties are published there's some of the registration papers, so I'm published one paper in IEEE journal. My paper name like Java, just I'm selected, right, for my status. If I in future I publish, I'm change my status like publish. So that is, so hours, if I get any hour like PhD teaching hour like good communication skill like best teaching award, I got best teaching award in 2018. So right now I have only that image, that is the reason I uploaded that image, so don't feel mind. Yeah, this is my awarded details. If I want to add my workshop, if in case I attended any workshop details, or else if I conduct any workshop details, so I added this all the details here. So like soft skills, so from date 2018 20 05 2018, work venue Hyderabad, submit. If I want to up to 25th, in case if I want to update, I can update. Then view workshop history details, so this all the details will be added for the faculty. So admin can write all those details in Excel format. So when you are clicking write department Excel, so wait for 30 or 20 seconds. So why? Because of he'll get all the details from our Firebase database, so then the data will write into our Excel sheet. So I'll show you where it is writing. So where is my internal stories? Yeah, documents. Yeah, department Excel sheet. So just look my date and everything. Look my department, all the faculty details, like I'll read all my I'll write all my Excel format. Same like I'll add all my degree in Excel format, all course details, all publication Excels, all workshop Excels, and work Excels. So everything I'll write. So now I'll go and I'll check it. So if the details are available or not. Yeah, degree, faculty Excel sheets, and work Excel, workshop files. Every file I'll write in file format, in Excel format. So this is our application, friends. uh, Thank you.